Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and I've got a very special project for you today. This one has photos. This paper collection is by Authentique. It's an older paper collection, so if you still have it, here's some inspiration for you. This album is Picture Perfect Volume 1, and the box is Boxable Style 1. I have 12 different styles of boxables. These tutorials are super special because they come with a resizing sheet. What does that mean? You can make it for this album size, or you can make it for this album size. There's a resizing sheet that takes you step by step through the process on how to resize the boxes for any album. Lots of pictures in this one. Can't emphasize the importance of adding photos to our projects. I have moved away from that. I used to do that a lot. And my mom passed away a little bit ago, and this means everything to me. Everything to me. Look at all of these beautiful photos that you can fit in these projects. Picture Perfect Style 1, I have 6 different styles in this smaller version and in a larger version. Look at this pocket with more photos. My beautiful mom and me. There's an envelope here for a note. This came with the paper collection, but that's an easy addition if you wanted to do so. Look at this pocket, how fun. So we've got a 4x4 photo here. There's my sister's children, my nieces and nephew. They're a lot bigger now. Another photo back there. I love this pocket here because it just slips in right there. If you're not a fan of cropping your photos, I highly recommend that you give it a try. Look at what a great layout this looks with 2 different photo sizes. I love this shallow style pocket in this album because you can see the photo. Sometimes when we have a higher pocket, they're not very photo friendly because you'll get like the top of someone's head peeking out. So this shallow pocket works really nice. This album is also really good for beginners. So if you're a beginner and you want to start with an album, I say give this one a try. Even the dogs got into this album. There I am with my mama again. And just flipping, guys. Just beautiful. Lots of flaps. More photos. Lots of photos in here. Again, that 4x4 photo, another pocket for a photo, smaller size photos. And remember, you can always pop another photo back here. Cropped photos, how fun is this photo layout? Look at my Robbie, it's my son. He has his own children now. Photo of my mommy and I. And I love this one here. Ooh. So this is what I call my deconstructed envelope. You can put a magnet here if you'd like. I just went with a paper clip. And I love this pocket here. This is an SVG file. You will need a cutting machine for this pocket. But if you don't have an SVG file, you don't have to use this pocket style. You can just use cardstock, and that'll be more room for pad and paper or a photo. And that's it. So an album full of photos, full of memories, super easy album to make, perfect for beginners and seasoned scrapbookers alike. It's always fun to have a box for your album. So Boxable is where you want to be, right here. There's 12 different styles of boxables. Remember, it does not come with the album. It's just the box and the album. This box comes with a resizing sheet, so you can make it any size you want. Check it out on paperphenomenon.com. Let me know what you think about seeing albums with photos in them. Do you love to see them with photos in it, or do you like both ways? I'm Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and until next time.